In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your headset and speaker settings in Microsoft Teams. If your audio is coming through the wrong device or Teams is using the wrong microphone during calls and meetings, don't worry. This is a quick setting you can adjust in just a few moments, and once you know where to look, it's very easy to manage whenever you switch between speakers, a headset, or another audio device. To get started, open Microsoft Teams. Make sure the app or web version is fully loaded so you can access the main interface without any issues. Once you're in Teams, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the three-dot menu. This is the More Options area, and it gives you access to additional settings and controls that aren't always visible on the main screen. After that, click on Settings. This will open the Settings panel where you can customize different parts of your Teams experience, including notifications, appearance, and of course, your audio devices. Inside Settings, select Devices. This is the section where Teams lets you control the hardware used for calls and meetings. If you connected multiple audio devices to your computer, this is where you can choose exactly which ones Teams should use. Now, under the Audio Settings area, you'll see options related to sound input and output. This is the key section for making sure your meetings sound the way you want them to. From here, open the speaker drop-down menu and choose the device you want to use for hearing audio in Teams. For example, this could be your laptop speakers, an external speaker, or your headset. Then open the microphone drop-down menu and select the microphone you want Teams to use when you speak. If your headset includes a built-in mic, you'll usually want to choose that option so both input and output are going through the same device. Take a moment to double-check your selections before closing the settings. This can help prevent common issues like hearing meeting audio through one device while speaking through another. If you've recently plugged in a new headset and it doesn't appear right away, it may help to wait a moment or reconnect it so Teams can recognize it. And that's it. You've successfully changed your headset and speaker settings in Microsoft Teams. Once these settings are updated, Teams should use your selected devices for future calls and meetings, making your audio setup much smoother and more reliable.